Now, we come to the quiz part, how to create quiz for students. I'm taking the same form as a base. Go to setting option. This is setting option. I told you earlier. Click on quiz tab. Activate this button. Activate this button. Make this a quiz. Here it is written release grade immediately after each submission or do it manually. So we believe in smart work, we choose this option. Okay. Now if you want, respondent can see missed question, yes. Correct answer, yes. Point values, yes. Then by default it is marked over here and no need to make changes over here and save it. Now these are mandatory questions. Okay, this is a demographic profile and this is second part. So second part, this is a mandatory question. Now I click on question. I want to provide points, that is the particular question is of 2 points. So what I do, 2 points means 2 marks. So what I do, click on answer key. This is the answer key. Here I provide 2 points. This is a point. 2 points means in case a student select correct option, he get 2 points. He get 2 marks. And done. Now if I want, student can see correct option after submitting the form, then click on the right option. Go to answer key and the right option is this one, Larry Page and Sir GB. So just click on this, and if you want you can give reason behind this, add answer feedback, and done with this. Similarly I can do for this question. Go to this question, go to answer key, provide points to this option, and then choose the correct option by clicking on this. And done with this. Now if you want you can send or share the link to anyone. So how to send a link? Just go and click on send option. This is a link. Click on this. You can this link is very lengthy, so you can shorten it. Just copy this. Just copy this and send it through mail or WhatsApp or through any social sites. Okay. So now let us see the preview of our quiz. So go to preview option and let us see whether the student are able to see the correct option or not after submitting the form. So it is mandatory option, so I have to fill up this information. It is not mandatory, but still I'll fill up this. Contact number is not mandatory. Occupation is also not mandatory. Still, this is the first part and we move on to another section. So here it is a mandatory option. Suppose this time I select wrong answer. The right answer, as we know, this second option is the right answer. But as a student, if I click on this option, which is wrong, so it is not, this question is not mandatory. This is also mandatory question while creating a Google form, what can be uploaded. And this time I click on this right option. I click on this correct options. These three are correct options. Again, this is not compulsory. Now submit the form. Let us see how much points I'm getting. View score. Yes, out of 4 points, I'm getting only 2 points. I can see here my marks, my points, because because this answer was not correct. I can see this answer was not correct, and correct answer was Larry Page and Sergey Brin. It is also displayed. So I am not getting any points of this question. And this question was right. So I'm getting this. I'm getting points for this option. So I hope you all have understood how to create a quiz. If you have any query, then you may post or ask your query in comment section. Thank you so much.